All right, how we doing? How we doing? Can you guys hear me? What's up? Yeah, I think you can. What's up, Hamid? Hamid's in the house. He wants XRP, XCN, Ski Mask Dog, and Elon. Right off the rip. What's up, Silver? How you doing, my man? We got Dennis here. How's it going? Bryant's in the house. Doing all right, my man? What's up, Slava? XRP to the moon. Are we moving? I don't even know. Nothing's new. We got Noah, Kush, Raging Cajuns in the house, XCN. What's up, Link Skater? XCN and XRP, I guess. What's up, Derek? What's up, Mo? Dashreem says, do you have a Discord? Yeah, we have a Discord. We don't ever go on it, though. There's always a spammer in there. All right. A bunch of new people. Yeah. Whenever we're bullish, I don't even know if we're bullish, but new people come in. We got 30 people already on YouTube. So as always, everyone hit the poll or like the poll and answer the poll and like the video, the live stream. All right. Let's just get into it since you guys are already asking for stuff. XCN and XRP up first. Is there anything pumping? Am I missing out? XCN's still not doing anything. People don't like the fact that people don't like the head and shoulders pattern here. I get that from the comments from the video, but it's just pointing it out so you guys are aware. One guy said this is a fake pullback because of Justin Sun, which could be, but it's still on the chart. But as of right now, we're still holding the 382. As long as we hold 33, 38's the price to beat, and then hopefully break on out of here. If it is going to have another leg up, I think this thing's coming up anywhere from 9 to 10, maybe 8 cents. So another 200% spike, move up on the next move, in my opinion. But as of now, we're not doing anything. We're still holding. But if you ignore the head and shoulders pattern, it looks good here. If not, if we start dropping, if we go lower than the 618 at 2.5, then more likely than not, we're going to drop a lot further. And then maybe XCN hits $1 at some point. XRP, is she finally moving? Oh, she's up 3%, going to the moon. Yeah, ultimately, I mean, it's moving a little bit, but it needs to get back through the high here. And you're above the 236, so short term out of the pattern, low to the high. As long as you're over this 295, 296 level, you're still bullish and good here. But I would say XRP is holding up well. And then, of course, we know XRP, $5 to $8, possibly. Maybe higher than that, but this is our first couple of targets. So once we get back over that 131 area, we should spike right up to 5. I mean, it doesn't have to. It's not based on anything besides $5 or potential 160% move to 830. Elon, I would imagine, is doing nothing. Yeah, we pointed this out last time. Elon on a monthly needs to get a monthly candle over 3.3 here. and then you're probably in business because we have all the weekly candles. Well, I guess we're getting stuck on the weekly too, so a weekly candle over 330 would be in good shape. But ultimately, Elon's not doing anything either. We're still sitting here. Made the higher high. Depends on how the market's going to go. If we're going to drop all the way back down to the trend, hopefully we do, and stay down there and wait for me. But low to the high, you're still above the 0.5, so your support right now is 2.7. As long as you're above 2.7, you're good. If not, you'll come back down. Double 382 is in play. But if you can get over this 336 level, macro bullish and short-term bullish. And then at some point, Elon's going to run. We'll just zoom out so we can see it because I don't feel like messing with it. I'm not making any money yet, so I'm still not happy. So Elon, from today, if it doesn't drop, 21x, 21.5x to this 6.5 level. That's what I've been looking for a very long time. Just trying to get through the coins that I saw you guys say. That way we can move on. Oh, Swiftcoin's trying to push back up. Yeah, Swiftcoin needs to get back over the 1414 here. Depends on what time frame you're looking at. 3-day, you're getting stuck. Weekly, you're trying to hold. You got a weekly close over. And then monthly, of course, you're getting stuck. If we can get this weekly candle back over 2.3, then you're in real good shape on Swiftcoin. And once it breaks over 4, this thing may start running. Yeah, Swiftcoin's going to be a good play. I think Swiftcoin from 50 cents to $1 is fair. All right, let me get back over to the chat. 40 people in here. You wish RWA tokens moved tomorrow. I wish anything would move. But yeah, Swiftcoin's right there. It's just, it needs to close over that 2.3 and then continue this little run here. But conservative would be 10 cents and 4.5x, and then 20 cents for a 9.5x almost. And then I like 50 cents here. 21, almost a 22x to 50. 4 billion market cap, and then I've seen a lot of people call Swiftcoin to $1. So maybe you get a 56, 57x out of this thing. Depends on what you think and how long you think the bull run is going to last. Jasmine pumped. Yeah, I saw Jasmine pumping. Yeah, Jasmine needs to get over 4 and then 5 pennies. And once you get over 5 pennies, I think Jasmine's going to start flying at that point. Goldfinch bottomed. We would like to think, oh yeah, maybe. Is she strong enough to hold the bottom? Some coins tried to hold the bottom and now they're just going down. Yeah, depending on where you want to draw the bottom at. You're dipping below, but you know, this is just all over the place. Technically, as long as this, what is this, a weekly candle? Let's look at the monthly. But as long as you're below this area here, which it's been holding for the last 3 weeks, you could still drop almost 30% to the 618, low, high 618, and then bounce. But if you want to say the bottom is in at the 0.5 and the trend, it could very well be. Like I said yesterday, I wish there was some magical indicator to tell us if something's going to break down or not. Momentum is down, clearly. And it looks like we're going to hold and go sideways. But if we're going to have a decent run, I would say GFI possibly hits a new high at 50 bucks, 37x. Way more conservative target would be $15. Get your little 11x and then get out. Not financial advice. Arc block. She's still holding up. Yeah, she's still holding up. Over 122, 117 to 122. Needs to break over 182. And then possibly up next is $3. Unless, like I keep saying, if Arc Block's waiting for the market to be bullish, and she's just going to keep going sideways, she may go a lot higher than that out of this consolidation. But as of right now, we have it on here, the top of the fib. I don't know what other people call for an Arc Block, but you have $13 and then $30. Another 23, 24x from here. And the reason I like that target is because you can see the clear respect given on these fibs. The way we have it drawn here, it held perfectly weekly candles, and then we shot up, and then it's been holding this one or this 2 level. So maybe the top of the fib at 30 is the price. We got he says 15. We haven't even seen 5 yet. Yeah, that's just your overall high targets. I think once it breaks out of this little pattern, if you're talking about Arc Block, I think $3 is going to get hit real soon. ACH is bullish. We got Waterp in the house. He says ICP. I appreciate the 2. ICP. Well, ICP made a lower high. Let's see what she's doing. Yeah, for the run in March, lower high got stuck at the 236 here. Same exact thing that everything else did. Consolidated, pumped, got stuck, and pulled all the way back down. So your support right now, let's see, let's draw this somewhere else. Come on. All right, you're sitting right on the 618 from the most recent low, from the consolidation to the high. So this is where you want to bounce at 847. Back over 1037, you are bullish again. But ultimately, you got to get back over the 236 at pretty much 15 to confirm a bottom in, and then over pretty much 40 to be bullish on ICP. But ICP hasn't even ran yet. I know it's got a big community, so ICP is probably going to be a good play. I don't know if these market caps are correct or not. They've been there forever. But 0.5 retracement and 9.5x to 90. And then 200 here for a 21, 22x. I think those are very fair targets for ICP. Like I've said before, I've heard people say they're getting out at 90. If it's going to go higher than 200, I don't know. If these are correct, a possible 300 billion market cap on ICP to 660, maybe 700 bucks. That would be almost a 70x. I don't know if ICP can do that, can it? But ultimately, it's still going sideways, not doing anything. This is what I need. I need something to pump so I can get some sort of decent money. I did AVAX and Ethereum Classic earlier. A lot of good older coins that are good for good 5 to 10x still. Nice place to hedge your money, because I believe they will go 5 to 10x's. There's so many others too. ICP here is one that hasn't ran. If ICP weights and you have a decent amount of money, roll over into this and get your little almost 10x, and then onward and upward, I guess. Let's see. AJS says Pingu. I appreciate the 79 cents. I don't know what that is, but I appreciate that. Pingu. Yeah, I saw you spamming Pingu. I just didn't get around to it yet. Pingu. What is Pingu on? Let me bring up Deck Screener. Deck Screener. Give me a moment. Yeah, is the music okay and everything? I didn't even ask that yet. Let's see here. Oh, come on, Deck Screener. Don't act like this today. Let's see. Pingu on Solana. Is that the right one? Pingu. Oh, I guess we did look at it. Maybe we do have a chart over here. Yeah, is this it? Oh, let me check Deck Screener. That thing's going to 0. Pingu, the pudgy penguins, ain't it? Oh yeah, it's the same exact chart, I think. At 1.4. Alright, yeah, it's the same thing. Just gonna keep it to where we can see stuff. So Pingu from the wick high to the new low here. There's no bottom, so there's nothing bullish on Pingu at all here. Let me get back over to the chat. Yeah, I gotcha. Is this the right one? Pingu sitting at pretty much a penny, 1.4. Oh man, who we got in here? But yeah, I keep agreeing with you. This market cycle, I think it's somewhat different. I don't know. What's up, Carrie? You sold Spell last night. You heard negative things about it from Crypto Future. Who's that? Is Spell moving? What's up, William? Hit the like and subscribe. We got Matthew back in the house. Where you been, my man? Let me write that down. ETHAI. I still gotta go look at Ski Mask Dog. ETHAI. Virtuals. Okay, I got it wrote down. I appreciate the 5. What's up, Jesus? He's tired of working. I'm tired of looking at these charts already with nothing going up. Alright, but Pingu here, just, I don't know what to say on it. There's no bottom. If somehow you can get back over the 236 at 2.1, maybe you got a shot. See what non-log tells us. From the scan wick high to the low. It really doesn't tell us anything different. You got to get back over 2 pennies to confirm a bottom. Other than that, this thing's probably going to still die here. So bring out the shorts on Pingu. Yeah, you're right. If we move the other one, where's the other one? Come on. Low to the high, you broke the low. You were holding, you died, you're sitting right on the 1618 support. So the only thing we could say is you got to get up for 17, 18, and then 2. And then other than that, if you lose 14 here, she's going to drop 25%. Now I'm wondering if I can go short this. Oh no. Now we'll see if a penny holds here. Maybe that's the bottom. Well, penny's all the way down here. Momentum's down, RSI is down, nothing looks good on it. So that's really all I can say. It's probably gonna, if it holds, it holds. It's probably gonna drop 25%. Depends on how the market goes. Been busy doing research in the shadows. Hopefully you're still making it, my man. You heard like going to go to 6K this cycle. What's up, Roger? XCN is still holding up. It's still holding 3.3, 3.82. So until it breaks that or breaks over 3.8, there's nothing to say about XCN. Okay, let me go over to Deck Screener. We got to go look at whatever the heck it's called. Ski Mask Dog and EFI AI. Let's see what we got here. Alright, we're on Pingu. Ski Mask. She's still holding. That's good to see. As long as you're holding 12, you got to get over pretty much 23. And then the next stop up is 55. Not a bad little move, though. 270% move up if it holds. So Ski Mask Dog looks good here. Yeah, depending on where we want to draw this other tiny one at, what are we on, 3-day chart? Yeah, you're holding the 382 also. So as long as you're holding this level, you're holding bullish low, high 382 and that 1272 double support. And if you manage to blow through 55, wow, $9. Be a 62x. But yeah, Ski Mask Dog is still holding. What was that one he told me to buy last night? I even looked at the chart. All I saw was the money. The money was going to zero. Well, it's not down that bad. It's still holding up on the chart. Okay. Now I'm not too worried. EFI AI. All right, let me get this. EFI AI by Virtuals. Yeah, we'll get back over to XCN in just a moment. What's up, Frozen Skull? Link, I think is going to perform very well this cycle. Link, Floki, what's up, Anthony? Yeah, I'm writing these down as we go so I can try to keep up today. Link, Floki, but everyone please answer the poll and hit the like button. XCN, of course. Spell. Oh yeah, ACH. I can already see it. They're all sitting in the same spot. I didn't know we were still on the small screen. There we go. That's better. EFI, EPI, AI by virtuals. What is this? 500K market cap. Oh, she's already moving. Did you get in on this one? I can't seem to get these moves. Every time I buy a little coin, it does nothing or goes down. Yeah, keeping it simple on this one. Market cap looks good. Got 3 zeros in front of the number. You're above the 0.5. So 40 and then 59 is your price to beat. But hopefully you bought the bottom on this one. Oh, not bad. Almost a 10x to the new high if I get this to stick. Come on. Yeah, if she can get over 3059, then she may fly up to a new high. You got him at 3015. She's bullish right now. Oh, you got in right before the breakout. Oh, man. What is this one doing? Just while we're here. Oh, she's still holding. That dude that came in here and complained he put 80K on this thing. But this one's still holding up. I'm holding out hope that me and Dave can get our 400x. I just want to wake up to a 400x. That's all I need. Everything goes up now. I buy the one that hasn't moved yet. It works fine so far. You talking about meme coins or regular coins? All right, let's see. What did I miss? All right, Stater, math. ZBCN. All right, I got a couple wrote down, so let me go through these real quick. Oh, this one's down at the bottom. I don't remember what chart we're using. Let's see. Yeah, you guys told me this one's not on Coinbase, right? Yeah, it's still getting stuck at the 236 if we ignore that wick and we call that the bottom, like I said. Ultimately, this one's going completely sideways. Hold on. Yeah, I think this one's good for a bottom play that's not moved. But do your research on it, and if it's going to move, possible new high on this one up to 305 would be a 5x. And if we go from wick to wick, we said this last night, over 001, bottom is technically in, bullish over 1.2, breakout over 001. And if this thing's possibly going to hit a $500 million market cap, it takes you pretty much up to almost a penny. So if it goes to a penny, you're going to 8.5x. If it goes to 2 pennies, 2.5. Possible almost 2 billion market cap. What is that? 24x. So is this the whole chart for this one? Because you guys ask for this one every stream now. There's something to this. ACH. He said stream till midnight. Maybe one day. I'll have to set a goal one day. Oh yeah, ACH pumped back up. Man, I should have just bought ACH. What the hell? What the? What? Why? She is trying to push through and break out here, it looks like. You're over the 0.5, you're right at the top of this triangle pattern, you're above the 786. I would just keep it simple. The 786.5 is in the same spot. You're over 4 now, you're at 4.5. Momentum is up. Volume's starting to spike in a little bit. I would keep it simple. If you can break this high here, just draw another one. Get up to the 618 at 5, you may be in business. So 5.1 up to 5.6. But ultimately, if you ignore that, you gotta get over the 618 at 5.5. Gosh. Just trying to see if there's anything different. But yeah, I mean, ACH is moving now, so maybe this is it. Just give us our bull run already. I don't see why we're getting stuck, to be honest. Well, I guess it's just the top of the triangle pattern is what's sticking you. We do this to the wicks. Pattern is the only thing stopping ACH right now, as you can see. You're above the 76 and the 0.5 in good shape here, and then ACH is going to rocket up to 50 cents. And now from today, where it's pumping already, you're at about a 10.5x. And then XCN real quick. I really wish XCN would pump like it did that one time on the stream. But ultimately, XCN, it remains to be seen. I know you guys know about all the stuff coming with it, the AMA, the white paper, the coins they're giving to Justin Sun and HTX and whatever else, and the burns they're going to start doing every month. That's all good news, but this thing needs to get going already. Because once the news comes out of anything, if you know anything, if you've been here before, buy the rumor, sell the news. So we need to start rumoring up already. But right now you're holding the 382 at 33. It needs to break over the 236 at 38 and then get some momentum going up. But if you start breaking down, your last support is 2.5. Any lower than 2.5, then the measured move off of this thing's going to play out and you're possibly going to drop down to 17 and 50% discount on XCN. Floki and Link. All right, let me go back to the chat for a minute. Echo leaks by virtuals. Echo leaks by virtuals. Let me write that down. Oh, come on. Are we frozen? Alright, that's the end of the stream. I ain't doing all that again. Screen frozen since ACH. Oh my lord. I hate that with a passion. ACH. Alright, we just did ACH and XCN, so we're good. That's so annoying. Alright, anyway, XCN, we're just gonna move right along because I don't even care right now. XCN, you're over the 382 still. If you watched the update earlier, as long as you're over 3.3, low to the high 382, you got to break over 3.8. 236 and get some momentum going. Like I said, with everything going on, this thing needs to pick up and start going already if it's going to go. Because once the news starts to come out of these things happening, from my experience, that's a top. I know guys don't want to do that. They don't want to hear the head and shoulders pattern here potentially forming, but it is what it is. I hope XCN goes. I'm right here with you guys. I got money in it. But if we drop lower than the 618, 25.5% drop below 25, then the measured move out of this is going to probably play out, and you're going to drop 50%. 1.7 would be your target, that low down here. So it needs to get up and start going now. I know this stuff's supposed to come out, I think, next week, starting Monday. They just need to go ahead and get this thing running already. I think you guys are correct. If this Justin's son did this here, he killed it because it was still running and he killed it, and it's just bearish from there. So if it goes down, you guys blame Justin's son. Come on, my thing's freezing already. But the only thing you can say on ACH, which you guys, I know you guys heard me, but ACH is simply, if we just zoom out to the monthly and look at it, it's simply getting stuck at the top of this triangle pattern. That's exactly where it's hitting. Not perfect because this wick was a little bit higher than the first wick, but you get the idea. And this red line here at 5 is simply this previous high. If you can break through that and get up to the 618 at 5.6 and get over that, then you're in good shape. But it does have the momentum right now. It's up. The volume's starting to come in a little bit, but ultimately you're getting stuck at a slightly lower high. You're above the 0.5786 at 3.8 to 4 pennies. So as long as you can stay above that, I would say this thing's still bullish to push higher. You can see also the 236 down here at about 3.7 to 3.8. So you got a good support. I would say breakout is confirmed. Bull market for ACH once it gets over 5.5, 618. So this thing could easily, how much time's left? 23 hours left on this weekly, or this is a monthly candle. Uh-oh. 3 days left on the weekly. Just keep in mind, if you're holding ACH, it could easily, drop back down and go up at some point in the future. But if you're holding it for the bull run, just buy more when it drops again. She's trying though. Would you say is it cold in my room? What's up, Joe? What's up, Hood Rich? Yeah, you guys can switch screen all you want. I can't hear you. All right, let me run through a couple more of these coins, I guess. Yeah. People FOMO into coins and they make money, and then we're just sitting here rotting away. Giga Chad. ACH, we did Velo. Airweave. Airweave, Velo, and Giga. Is Giga going to zero with the rest of the coins? Oh yeah, Floki we gotta do. Alright, where's our Floki chart? Floki and then Link, and then we'll move on. Oh, come on. Yeah, Floki's coming down, it looks like. Yeah, this should be it for Floki. The same formation, the pump up, and now you're back down at the bottom. I would imagine you're hitting a 786. Yeah, you're sitting right on the final support at 124. So any lower than that on Floki, then she's going to simply drop down. Let's do one more, or yeah, we'll just do one more short-term one. Let's see. And like I always say, you can draw a million fibs all over the place. All right, there we go. So you're on the 786 and the 236 ultimate low to the high. So any lower than 124, you got double support here. So this should be the bottom, but momentum has shifted down. Yeah, you're gonna drop 40%. So yet another coin that needs to wake up and go already. Time is now. I mean, the overall chart doesn't look bad. Hopefully this is not a double top. Oh, where's Floki going? If Floki can come up and hit a new high at the 1272 at 2014, you get an 11x from today if that's the bottom. But a lot of these coins have been dying lately. Didn't I hear something about Link having oracles or something? Yeah, Chainlink doesn't look bad here. It broke out and it looks like it's back testing over the 618. So as long as you're over 21.5, you should be good here. But Link here is one that's already moved up a lot. It's already over the 618. So this is what I'm talking about. These bigger coins. I think definitely this thing's going to come up here and hit $100. Get you a decent 4x. Safe play. What other coin now? Floki, Link, Spell, AR. Did Spell break out? Said you sold it because someone flooded it. Spell. Yeah, she's come down a little bit, but ultimately still, I say in the same spot, but she's down. But it just made a higher high. It hit the 382. And like I said, no one knows. Either alt season's about to start and we're about to blast out of here, or we're coming back down and we're not going up for a while. So just keep it simple. As long as you're below 2-0 on Spell, God, your support is 1-4. Just stay bullish. I would say any lower than that 236 high to the low, then it's no longer bullish. It would come down here and think you're bullish over the 382, 236, but it'll probably just break back down to the trend, just like it did here. Slow crawl till summertime. Those are pretty much the prices you have to watch right now. If it gets over the 382, then you're in good shape. And Spell to 5 pennies is a 30x. More conservative would be 1 penny. Yeah, I think spell's going to a penny. And if it goes to 5, so be it. But that is an 8x almost. Oh man, so many coins. Velo Protocol, is that what you're talking about? Velo, did she come back down to the bottom? That's what we looked at last time. Not quite, but she's on her way. Ultimately, Velo's been doing nothing for a very long time. We were super bullish on it here. I'm still super bullish on this overall pattern that it has formed, but simple low to the high, you're right on the 382, and like I keep saying, you can draw this all over the place. But as long as you're below the 236, I would say this thing's probably just gonna not just only piss me off, but as long as you're in here, this thing could still come right back down, hit the trend, go sideways, and then drop 23% like this, and then go up and finally break out of this pattern at some point. But the overall highs and lows and the pattern that it's in here, it looks primed and ready to take off, especially if we zoom out like this, as you can see. I would buy Velo if I could. And then Velo to $2. Oh, that's a huge move. Yeah, this is another reason we like this chart here, because Velo, if it just does a 786 retracement, it's an 18x to 43. And then if it comes up here, a slightly lower high is an 85x to $2. That's all I need is an 85x, and I'll make it. All right, what did I miss here? Oh, I forgot to write that one down. The other one you told me, Matthew. Now I'm gonna have to go back through the chat. Velo, Giga. We got Jesus for 5. Appreciate the 5, my man. Thanks for all you do, pounding out all the TA videos and live streams. Time to make some money. These things are about to go crazy. I appreciate the words, and I appreciate the words of encouragement. I hope so. I need something. What do we got? Undead 2. What are you doing back here, my man? What do we got? Yeah, you can't come in here talking like that. You can't come in here doing what you're doing. It's just not going to be tolerated. We're here to have a good time, talk crypto, and make it together, not act like this. Oh, that's so unfortunate. I banned him again. That's just, I don't know if it's a kid or what, but I'm sorry about that, Carrie. I'm sorry, everyone. That's just ridiculous. He may come back again. He may try to put a strike on the channel. He's going to do something stupid. Let's see. Yeah, Jesus, I appreciate the 5. The only way to stop that is make it, I would say members only, but then everyone would have to be a member. There's not enough. Members only live stream would suck. But yeah, that from now on, if anyone argues or gripes at each other, I'm just gonna ban you. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of this whole thing. Trying to get through these coins and talk about crypto, and then you guys got to come in here acting like children. Yeah, Joe Ando broke out. Is she still moving? What's up, Shadow? Yeah, I'm trying to get through this little list of coins you guys already gave me, and then I got to deal with that. Let's see here. Now I can't even concentrate. Giga Chad, what is Giga Chad doing? Giga Chad, Coinbase, what do we want to look at it? Coinbase Surge. No, Giga Chad's holding up well. Depending on what time frame you look at it on. It's just been going up since it came out. It's just pretty much one of those charts you can't even do anything with. It's just higher highs and higher lows. As long as you're above the 618 or the 1618, we'll draw this. Low to the high. So anywhere from 45 up to 52, you're bullish. And then next stop up, you got stuck at 2272. So of course the next leg up is going to be 14.8. 120% move next up, and then the top of the fib, Giga Chad to $1. I don't see why it wouldn't hit $1. It's on Coinbase and it's a meme coin. 15x. But overall holding up good and looking bullish here. One of the ones that aren't dying at the moment. Bitcoin's still holding at 104. Let's see. Airweave. Okay, Airweave, and I think we're caught up. AR, what is AR doing? And you got to realize that all of these coins are going to go up. I guess we looked at this recently. Airweave broke the little downtrend or falling wedge pattern, I guess you could say, was in, and it's back testing. So not a bad look on this one. You're holding over the 3.2, so you're bullish over 1260. And if it holds here and you get a bounce back up 26 and then 45, once you get over 45, your breakout should be in play. This is monthly candles, by the way. But same thing's going on here. Broke out of your little pattern. First resistance came into play, and you back tested, and you're still holding a 3.2. So pretty much a double back test. 3.82 in play. So over 12, you're good. And then this one to a new high from where it is today. 1272 possible, 215, 14 billion market cap at 13x. Depends on if the market's going to hold up. Did I get another super chat? We got CB for 5. I appreciate that. Can you give me support and resistance for range trading? While BTC keeps consolidating. AXBT, like on like a 4-hour time frame. I appreciate the 5. He says range trading. You're gonna get chopped up if you keep selling everything and switching over. Coinbase doesn't sell Velo, yeah. I watched a TA today that said Ondo will hit $20. Yeah, I think Ondo's gonna hit $20. Velo's on uphold. What's up, Alan? Can you do it? Gosh. AIXBT. Alright, I'm trying to get caught up here. Ondo is popular due to the tokenizing bonds. What is that? I don't even know what that is. The only thing I know about Ondo is apparently big people are buying it, BlackRock. Then they partner with XRP. All their coins are out. Where the heck is QNT? Oh. Maybe I should start buying stuff I would say I would never buy. I was just thinking about the Airweave. I would never buy Airweave just because. No other reason, just I don't like it. This thing. You're gonna trade this thing while BTC is ranging. Depending on what time frame we're on, 3-day time frame, you're on support, low to the high, 382, holding perfect, 46. As long as you hold here, this thing should bounce up, even though it broke the trend. Should bounce up 32% to 61. That's really all I can tell you, because I'm not a trader. I've tried many times and I fell every time. That's why we zoom out to macro charts. We're just trying to invest on things at the bottom and sell them at the top. Ski mask pup. Yeah, what was that other one you said earlier? You had another one for me and I forgot to write it down. I'd have to scroll up to go find it. Ski mask pup. What are we looking at? Oh. But yeah, if this one breaks down below 4.6, below the 3.82, then it's just going to die like the rest of the coins. Now that it broke the uptrend. Still making higher lows, so it's still technically bullish. But every time I look up, this one's running, so. Kosh, is that what we said? Kosh Network, what is this one doing? Oh, another one forming an inverse head and shoulders. Down below the 618, it could still get balled up. We saw the same thing happen with Jasmy. Jasmy ran. But ultimately, very large inverse head and shoulders pattern here. If you hold the 618 to 265, get back over 337 and then 364. And then once you break over this $5 range, it's going to break out. But yeah, this is another one that's up here at the top already. It looks like Render and FET. I don't know. I'm having second thoughts on these coins. I don't know if I would buy them or not. But a 9X up to pretty much $25 should be the next big stop. but it isn't a macro bullish setup here. Yeah, here we go again. Yeah, several people asking for ZBC in. Yeah, I don't know what this Akash network is, but it's got a macro bullish setup. Yeah, we've covered ZBC in. It's like the new turbo now. You guys stop asking for turbo. It's starting turbo even bottom out yet. Yeah, this thing's just down and at the bottom. Going completely sideways, doing the barcode. It's doing nothing. I would say there's, besides the chart down and sideways, there's nothing bullish on here. You're making lower highs. I'm gonna start putting people in timeout when they ask for this one again. But if this thing can go to 1 billion market cap, I don't know if it's the same chart as the other one, but 2 pennies would be a 23x. Yeah, we did say this earlier. And then maybe 1 penny get you an 8x. But for some reason, we have 2 charts for this one. The OKX chart, I think this is what we were looking at earlier. Yeah, the same thing. 2 pennies and then 1 penny if it's going to run. Very conservative price on this one. The new high 1272 is a 5x to 2 zeros 5. Alright, make sure I cover the super chat. Oh Lord. Undead God number 3's in the house. Is this the third time's the charm? Alright, just answer me this. You cannot come in here and you cannot insult anyone. No arguing. If there's any arguing and insulting, I am going to ban you without thinking about it. So there's no banning, there's no talking. Be respectful. You are the only one that has your own decisions. You're responsible for your own decisions. Ondo's trying to break out. Oh, she got a new candle spawning in. Uh-oh, Joe, here we go. No. Ondo's finally gonna go. Yeah, people get upset when I point out the bearish scenarios. I don't know why. I'm just letting you guys know. I'm not just gonna get on here and tell you guys, oh, this never happened before and it's going to the moon, because you gotta be prepared. But I'm glad it's starting to break to the upside here. It's holding over the 0.5 at 153, so this 166, if it gets over it, maybe she'll start going. Like I said, Ondo's a good pick. We've been saying that for a while. They released the tokens here. It held support perfectly. And from my understanding, partnership with XRP, BlackRock's blocking it and buying it. I think I heard someone say Trump's buying them, buying Ondo. So all the whales are buying into Ondo. Or they already did. It's an AI token. It's supposed to be good. All right. So T13, next target for sniffed. Passes 0.5. Did we look at sniffed? Oh, if it gets over the 618. Yeah, where are you finding these coins, my man? This one, the VVA one, and there's another one that went to 0. As long as you're with 382, if this thing can break the 618 at 5, it's 8 pennies. If this thing can break out of the apparent range or whatever's going on here, 145% move to 8. Oh no, let's move this up. Gotta get over 4 and then 5, break over the 618. You should spike up 116% to 8. And then if you can break through that, possible new high, 1272 at 23, 500% move, 6.5x. Sniffed. Whatever this is. What's up, Jack Sparrow, Brett, Sky, and Bandit on base. Ski. Yeah, I'm writing them down, so when we go over there, I'm gonna have to make sure when we go over there, I switch it back over. You're gonna be traveling soon when you come back, maybe. Where you going? Yeah, I missed the chat. I don't know what you guys are talking about now. Okay, let me get that off the screen. Oh, you should make Slob a mod. I think if I did that, he would be putting people in timeout left and right, just because he thinks it's funny. I went up to chat and made it. Oh, okay. All right, Brett, Sky, and Bandit on base. All right. What is going on now? Yeah, see, now I gotta sit here and read through the chat and we can't look at anything. It kills the stream. Undead 4 coming soon. Oh, Lord. All right, Undead God number 3. I'm going to take that as a promise. You're going to be peaceful. We're here to help each other. Let's see. Yeah, listen to Wyatt up there. Got some good words. Do I trade my Toshi for Ondo? Did you make money on Toshi? Let's see. Yeah, if I can get any kind of run, I would probably buy. I've been like an Amba for a while, but yeah, I don't even know what we're looking at now. Hopping to the moon. Yeah, we're gonna go over to deck screener in just a moment. This Hoppy did nothing. Just the right Hoppy. Hoppy on Mexi, or is it Hoppy? I don't know if this is Hoppy on Solana or not. We'll just go look at it on deck screener. Screw it. We'll just see what we can see on deck screener here in just a moment. Hoppy. All right, any more deck screener coins for me to write down? Toshi for Arrow, but it's a CD. You just bought an Ondo. Can we look at Jasmine? Yeah, I guess. We didn't look at Jasmine, I don't think. She's running, or she was trying to. Jasmine's bullish. Once she gets over 4 pennies and then 5 pennies. I think she's already over 4. No, not yet. But yeah, Jasmine, next up is 382 at 3.5 to be bullish, and then once you get over 4, and then a weekly close, you can see weekly candles got stuck perfectly here at the 382 at 5. Once we get a weekly candle to close over 5, that's when Jasmine's going to be bullish here. And Jasmine's bullish not only over those levels, but large inverse head and shoulder pattern here. I think once Jasmine gets over 5, she's going to fly to 12 in one candle, maybe 140. No, not from today. When you get there, but from today, a 300% move, so 4x up to 12. And then Jasmine's definitely going to hit 30 cents, in my opinion. That would be a 9.5, almost a 10x. But my target has been for a very long time $1. Jasmine 786 retracement in a bull market up to this dollar range. And it was once a 50x, now it's a 35x. Come on. But yeah, Jasmine's in a good spot. She was falling below here, and we said potentially she could drop 15 to 17% to the 786, and we moved this down, but she held up, so good to go. I think crypto is a game of patience. Buying the dips and being extremely patient, because when you flip-flop in and out of coins constantly without making any profit, then you get chopped up. That's like the short and sweet of it. You have to have patience. Ton coin. No, we haven't checked ton coin. If I could ever make any money, I would buy Jasmine. Give me 1 million Jasmine, like metal. Hope you get a 85x. You deserve it, man. If I ever come on here and I'm super happy, you guys will know I made some kind of money. Dude, what's up, Tony Two Toes? Okay, guys, answer me in the chat. Why is everyone asking for Z-Bag? What's the deal? So many people asking for Z-Bag and it's doing nothing. Are you asking for it because I said the next person to ask for it, I'm going to put them in timeout? What's the hype? What's the hype around this thing? The chart is not bullish, it's completely dead here. And yeah, I don't understand. Unless we're looking at the wrong thing. But even if it's down here, 618 retracement, it's probably intact at whatever it runs. I don't know why this is so funny. But yeah, if this thing comes up to a new high, it's a 5x. So many people bullish on this dead chart for a 5x. But it's gonna run and move eventually. I just don't get it. I don't get it. If it was on Coinbase, low market cap, and it was down there like that, I would definitely roll over into it. T13, I don't know what to do with you, my guy. You must have some sort of language barrier, or you're not understanding, or you're skipping around in the chat, or you're watching and then you're leaving and you're coming back and asking the same questions. We do this every stream. Because we just looked at sniffed. Sniffed is over the 382, low to the high, or high to the low. So you're technically bullish here. Let me move this down just a hair. So you're bullish here. Breakout is over 5. You said once it gets over 5, what's the next target? The next target is the 786 at 8. So from where you are right now, if you can get it and hold, or hold over 3, get over 4, break over 5, that's your breakout. That'll send you up to 8. Once you get to 8, that's 115% from where you are now. The possible high is the 1272, a 6.5x to 23. And then if it goes to the top of the fib, $175. And that'll be your 440x, 460x. Other than that, I don't know what to say. Once it gets over 50 cents, okay, so over the 1618 at 50, it would be $1.18. Yeah, if we can get all the way up here, that is almost a 14x to 50, and then the next stop after that is 180. And from where you are today, that would be about a 32x. All right, hopefully that helped. Let's see. Leah AI, what is that? Is that a Solana coin, a base coin, a virtual coin? Leah AI. Oh, maybe we looked at it. Let's see what pops up. Oh, that's POW. Oh, it's on Sol. Alright, I'll write that down. Alright, we got a bunch of coins on Dexsphere to go look at. He said no mosey back. So Charmander. Okay, so $1's not crazy on Sniffed. Dogging me? What is that? Yeah, you guys got to tell me what these things are on, or I'll never find them. Dogging me on Solana. Dogging me on Sol. While you guys are answering that, they said Staffy and Elon and Zen. Staffy, Elon, and Zen. Yeah, we already went over Elon. Elon's not doing anything. Dojo on Mars. Hit the 382, you got stuck. And then we go low to the high. If she's going to stay bullish here, which... Yeah, you got to get over the double 382. That's what we said earlier. So double 382, short-term bullish and short-term or long-term bullish over 336. That's your big price to beat. You're above the 0.5, so your support is 2.7 down to this 2.2 area, 2.2 to 2, 2.36. But ultimately, if we zoom out, doesn't have a bad-looking chart. Big double bottom W pattern, getting ready to blast out of here probably. But I made the higher high. It could still, depends on how the market goes, and we know how Elon performs. You could still end up dropping back down 618, hit the trend at some point, and then we go up. So just keep that in mind. The ideal world, it would do this, so it can wait, a couple of months for me, and then it'll go up because I want to buy Elon. I think Elon's going to do this again. But right now, Elon, possible 20x. Oh, good God. All right, give me a second. Yeah, I think when Elon runs, it's going to run extremely hard. 25x from, what the hell? All right, a 23x to the 6.5 level. All right. Yeah, I need crypto to move already because I need a new chair. I'm buying here. Zen. Oh, yeah, this is the other one that has really good returns. Where do you buy this one at? Is this on Coinbase? Yeah. I don't know what this is, but it gives me XCN vibes, kind of. The chart just came down and just went completely to zero, did nothing forever, and then finally got up and then went. But yeah, 382 retracement on this one is a 16x just to get up to the 382. If this is going to be something, it looks like it just put the bottom in. And if it did put the bottom in, then, like I said, depending on where you can buy this, yeah, just hit the trend and hit the 786. So the bottom should be in. Any lower than that, then it's never going up. But bottom is in on Zen. 0.5 retracement to 7.7. You're going to get your 50x, 47x, and then a 618 retracement. 151x up to 25. Meme coin on base. Dogging me. All right, let me write that one down. I think we looked at that one. Excuse me, that one in the past. Got another virtual on the move. Yeah, Swiftcoin's not doing anything. Depends on what time frame you look at it. Stuck below the 144 at 23. Looks like it topped, in my opinion. But if you want to watch it here, if you can stay by the 1272 at 16, and you see you also have low to the high 236 at about 19. But it looks like it's topped out. And if it did, higher highs in play, it could come all the way back down to the trend and put in a higher low unless it's ready to hold over these levels and take off. If all season's not here at all yet, then back down to the trend, higher low, and then we'll go up in the future. But moves like this, any kind of little move like this, you guys make sure you take profit, not financial advice. Zen is going to shock the world. Yeah, what is it? And where can you buy it at? It's in. Bit true. Appreciate that. Turbo, these coins are crap right now. Sub Hunter. Yeah, we looked at Spell. Spell's doing the same thing as Swiftcoin and everything else. It had a decent little run, but it looks like it may be over. Alt season is coming. Yeah, I agree. You're holding 10 billions in. Toshi's gonna. I don't think Toshi's gonna perform like Elon. I don't even know what Toshi is. It's just another coin they got listed on Coinbase. It's a meme coin, ain't it? Let me switch this music. You guys gotta be tired of this. What are we in the mood for? I think when I play the techno music, you guys get crazy. Someone always comes in here and starts talking mess. See how it goes. All right, hour and 30 minutes in, 70 people here, 33 on X. How you guys doing over there? I forgot about you guys. But hopefully you guys are doing well. Relaxing music says the music makes it less watchable. All right, let me go over. I'm glad you said that. Let me do a poll real quick. Let me go do this poll and end the poll, and then I got to get out of this chair for a minute. Maybe we'll do like Slava said, we'll stream till midnight. Tomorrow's the last day of the month, so I'm trying to squeeze out every little bit of views and revenue I can for next month's check. So tonight and tomorrow, the last days, I'm squeezing it out. Come on. Man, we're almost at 12,000 subscribers. Less than 3 more subscribers to go. We'll be over 12,000. What am I looking for? But yeah, we're gonna go over to Deck Screener here in a minute when I get back. I'm trying to get this pulled up so I can make a new poll for you guys to answer. Oh, this music's... This is that annoying song. All right, there we go. Poll, 121 votes, 79% say yes. Come on. Jesus coin. Yeah, what is Jesus on? Is it on Solana? is Jesus on Solana or ETH? Someone give me an answer. ETH? Okay. Is Jesus Coin going to go up because of Easter coming up in a couple months or whatever? Alright. Oh, come on. I almost banned you. I clicked a little too high and you said ETH, good sir, and I almost put the ban button. Excuse me. All right, looking at Jesus. This the right Jesus coin? All right, let's see. I'm trying to get a new poll running here, but it's grayed out. It won't let me do it. Oh well. I was gonna do a poll to you guys. Wait. What are we on here? There we go. I was wondering why it wouldn't let me do it. All right, new polls up. Yeah, Q&T is going to be a good play. You have more to share soon. All right, I'll keep adding them to my list. Do you really think Elon will do a 20x from today? I think so, but that's my opinion. But this, yeah, this, you said this is it. This is the old Jesus coin that's been out forever. But yeah, over the 382 at 6.2, you're bullish. Next stop up is 9.5, breakout over 1.4. But ultimately, this thing runs, if it ever runs again, 25x to, what is that, 501,666 for Jesus. All right. Yeah, we're not that bullish because there's only like 30, 40 people on each platform. What time is it? 7 o'clock. We've been on here for an hour and 30. Yeah, maybe some more people will show up in a little bit. We'll see. All right, I did those. I feel weird making no money off of Jesus coin. What's up, Metal? How you doing? Good morning. Just woke up 1 a.m. here. Yep, Jasmine, we covered it many times. It looks good. Yeah, but Jesus is potentially a good play, I guess. They are this time. The bigger coins are running before. I guess you could say that. We did run in March with a bunch of the other coins, but... Oh yeah, Staffy. Alright, let me put it on Staffy. And then if we're going to stream any longer, I got to get out of this chair for a minute, so I'll be back in a minute. But let me put it on Staffy so we don't remember. Still got a whole list of stuff we got to go do over on Deck Screener. So I'm going to step out. Go give my kids a call before it gets too late. But give me like 5 or 6 minutes or so. I'll be right back. You guys chat, behave, and answer the new poll. Does anyone still care about this coin? Man, look at this one forever. Oh no, the new Z-Beck. Staffy's down and sideways forever. Yeah, where can you buy this one at? These are probably not right. I'm just going to move those off. Alright, we'll look at this one as soon as I get back in. Yeah, hopefully you're doing good, Metal. Quick question with XCN, as it's been running before the alt season, will it still move during the... Yeah, it'll still go. It's just caught up with XRP and everything else. It could top out early. Honestly, I don't know what XCN's going to do. Because XCN, there's so much bullish news coming out for it right now. And I've seen this before with Shiba and other coins. So much good news and so much bullishness and so many promises, and then nothing ever happened. I just so you guys know. Appreciate your medal. Yeah, there's supposed to be an announcement, I think. So if they announce they're getting listed on Binance, and maybe people pile back into XCN and it starts to run up, and then the top will be when it gets listed, maybe around 10 cents. All right, yeah, I'll be right back. You guys just chill out for a minute. All right, I'm back. What are we looking at? Good morning from Singapore. Good morning. He says, "I hope you packed your bags." I packed a sleeping bag. Yeah, you're gonna do well. Uh, Staffy. So yeah, this one, I don't know where you can get this one at. Is it on Coinbase? But this is another chart. You know, it's done nothing forever. There's nothing bullish on it. You're below the 236. You're below. You're making lower highs. Excuse me. Yeah, but a lot of these coins, just like ACH and many others, you can easily argue, depending on where you want to draw it at. But there's this bear market accumulation that's bullish because now we're starting to make higher lows. Very bullish setup. So this one here, breakout over the 382, looks like as of now over 64, 65 would confirm a breakout. Bullish over that 382, and then confirmation over the 618 at 140. And if this thing comes up to a 786, not a bad little 8.5x to 256. And if you think you can hit a new high, moonshot, $13 to $14 for 44x. You need that 440x. SPA. Yeah, we look at SPA all the time. Kush, what is WB? Top of the most bought list 24 hours. That's a good sign, though. Still by the top of something. I think I may be learning my lesson again. Buying XCN after I did a 20x. Told myself I would never do that again. But I got caught up in the hype. In the FOMO. Again. But in all fairness, I was sent the money. I was sent the Tether to buy anyway, so it was free money. PNG and SPA. Oh, PNG's back above the 0.5. So here on the older accurate Gate.io chart, PNG's back above 23 and needs to get back above 30. 31 to be bullish again, where it held for so long and then it broke down. But it did the same thing everything else did, so maybe we can expect this. Same thing's going to happen on ARC block. Bullish formation, consolidation, the pump got stuck, came all the way back down to where it was. Now it's time to go up. And it made a slightly higher low, so yeah, that could be it for SPA or PNG. The bigger question is, where is PNG going to run to? Either a moonshot 1272 to 26 to 27, maybe $30 would get you over a 100x from today. And then maybe this thing only hits what, $6. So a $6 PNG would be almost a 25x. And then SPA pretty much got stuck at the previous trend. As you can see, 0.5 previous trend, you are above our red box of resistance. We got back over. So you're over the 3-2, so keep it that simple. As long as you're over 16, 17, price to beat is a 0.5, get back over the trend, get back over 28 and the 0.5, and then you'll be in good shape at that point. And you can finally start looking ahead at these higher prices. Breakout is over 4.5. But SPA here, 5x up to the 786 would be 10 pennies. And then possibly this thing hits 40 cents. 40, 50 cents and 20x or so. And if you think you can hit near 80 cents, that would be your 40x. So just over, well, 1.5 billion market cap. Let's see. Be patient with XCN, she'll make you a lot. I'm trying. If I start switching in and out, I'm gonna just lose more than it probably will, because I'll sell and then it'll go up. And then I'll try to buy back in and it'll go down. It's Stater is slipping, is it? Yeah, there's so many coins out there. It's not everyone's going to pick a winner. I know there's not that many people here today, but I really want you guys to make it. But there's going to be some people that don't make it. Oh, no. Yeah, this is what I said before. Every time we draw these bullish patterns, they break down, especially on these newer coins. I say newer, but yeah, okay, this is out the window. Not as bullish as we wanted to be. So it looks like you're coming down to the 236 on SD. I think the big thing is you got to look at these coins. You got to go check out their market cap and their circulating supply, their tokenomics. Because if they still don't have a lot of coins out in circulation, they're probably not going to perform well. Low to the high, you're below the 382, so you are no longer bullish. And yeah, you're coming down to 7 here, 73, 72. If you get bought back up over 98, then or 89, so be it. But 15% drop is in play right now, and maybe even lower than that, 618 to 58. But as of now, 786 retracement to 10. 12.5x on SD. Degen. Yeah, so what did Turbo do? Degen. Yeah, she's still holding the 618. Yeah, we should have saw this possible head and shoulders pattern played out. Or it's playing out still. Hopefully not. But your support on Degen is 6.3, has to get back over 7.2, and then eventually the 382 at 8. We'll get some sort of momentum going back up. So now our green support box turns into a red box of death here. If it cannot get back over that, it could go a lot lower. The fact that it made a lower low is not a good look. But as I keep saying, the only thing you can really do is just buy these at lower targets if you're bullish on them and you're going to hold for 2025. Yeah, Turbo's looking like it maybe it bottomed. Nice green wick and not even a candle. It's just a big green wick over 5, 3, 618. But we pointed that out also. Good buying opportunities on Turbo down here. It's still holding macro market structure. So this 5.3 didn't quite get all the way down to 4. And it may not ever go that low again. At least until the bear market. I wonder if these coins that are this bullish are just going to die in the bear market. Yeah, as long as you're over 5.3, price to get over 6.4, and then of course 007 and on its way up. But I think Turbo's definitely going to get up here and hit 3 pennies. As of today, that is almost 6x. And then 14 to 15 cents would be a 10 billion market cap for a 25x. And if you want to be extremely bullish on it, according to us, no one else, 71x to 40 cents, 26 billion market cap. Because I have seen people call for 50 billion market cap plus on Turbo. And there's a good chance those people are going to end up holding through the bear market next time. What's up, Eldor? What a lousy bull run. Yeah, so far. DIA. What's up, Emilios? Shiba? No, we haven't done Shiba. Yeah, I'm trying to believe. Trying to believe that XCN is going to get me out of the shadow realm right now. Alright, Toshi and Shiba. I'm already 57 billion baby Brett. What is baby Brett on? I'll add it on the list because we still got to go over the deck screener. If you guys are still in here. Baby Brett. Alright, let me look at Shiba and then Toast, and then we'll go over to the deck screener. So any other deck screener coins, step to the front of the line. But yeah, you didn't really miss Turbo. Turbo looks like it bottomed out. It came down, it wicked below the 618 at 5.3. Possibly the last time to buy it at that price for now. Good buying opportunity after the huge dip. Overall market structure is holding. So it's still extremely bullish. If it breaks that and comes to 4, that would be your last point. Any lower than 4, then it's a good game for Turbo. I think it may be over. But Turbo, depending on where you think it's going to hit, some of the big influencers say 50 billion market cap plus. Ours is a 26 billion market cap to 40. But I definitely think it's going to hit 3 pennies and do a 5.5x and even up to 15 cents for a 25, 26x. If it comes up here and hits that market cap at 40 cents, then you're looking at about a 72x from today. But the overall chart is still intact and it's still extremely bullish looking, even after that dip. And then Shiba, I really think Shiba's going to hit 100 billion market cap. I think Shiba's good for a 10x right now. But Shiba's one of the older coins, like ECH, Ethereum Classic, Chainlink. What else is there? All these older coins are probably going to do easy 5 to 10x's. But ultimately, Shiba's not doing anything. Not a good look on it because it just made a lower high. Depending on where you want to draw the trend at, you could be coming up on it right now. But you're below the 0.5. Come on. All right, 382.618 is in the same spot, so 168 should be the bottom on Shiba. I really don't see Shiba breaking the trend and breaking down, so another 10% drop is possible. Like I said, depending on where you want to draw this at, but nothing's perfect. and it's crypto, so you never know what's going to happen. But I've been saying this forever. I think Shiba's definitely going to hit 100 billion, 1272, maybe higher at 18.5. Right now is a 9.5, almost a 10x. At least Shiba's not, has some use cases, not a meme coin anymore. Yeah. Like I said before, I was in on Shiba from the beginning. Didn't know enough about crypto then, and I don't know now, but I was in Shiba like XEN is now. Every bullish thing was coming out, every catalyst was coming out, every listing was coming out, every little thing. Yeah, but the fact that we're seeing these older coins, HBAR, XRP, XLM, Algo, I know it's not the same category, but Shiba's going to have its day. Shiba and Elon and Doge will have their day. Yeah, I think Shiba's going to do a 10x. All right, we got to go over to Deck Screener. We've been waiting too long. $100 billion is bonkers for a meme coin. Yeah, well, Shiba's not a meme coin anymore. Shiba got you into crypto, yeah. Shiba was the... In 2021, I had Shiba. I started with Cardano. Like I said, I didn't know enough about crypto back then. I bought, I think, 1,000 Cardano for $6 or something like that. I can't even remember now. And from what I knew back then, I just put it in a cold storage wallet, let it sit for like 3 years, and then I finally took it out, and it was worth like $4,000 or something like that, or 3,000 something. I can't remember. And then I bought Shiba, didn't buy enough. And then, of course, Elon I had also. Didn't have enough Elon. I sold Elon pretty much at the top also. It's on base. Okay, baby bread on base. All right, we're going over to Deck Screener. Yeah, Shiba was that big last bull run, but it took so long. I remember just holding Shiba forever. Weeks and months would go by, and we're waiting for a Robinhood listing and a Coinbase listing and just everything. Yeah, and I also even staked my coins on Shiba Swap. And I went there the other day and I looked, and I have a bunch of bone to wolf and other things. I don't know how to do it. I don't remember. And I have no Shiba coins to put in there to wolf them or whatever you got to do. But I have some, I guess you call them rewards for staking. I don't think it's much, but it's something. AVAX. All right, AVAX, and then we're going to Deck Screener. We got to get these coins knocked out. AVAX. Oh yeah, I did an update on AVAX today. AVAX head and shoulders pattern. I drew this new box on the chart. I think AVAX is going anywhere from 2 to 300, easily 200. So anywhere in this box is possible for a target. So from 200 up to about 300, a 9x down to about a 6x. Yeah, I think in this area here, that's where this thing's going. If it pumps up before we get an alt season and before the bull run's even over, then you do have a chance of hitting 400. And that would get you up near 12, 13x. But I think 200 is very easily hit. Let me go over to Deck Screener. 2 hours in. Yeah, this is more calm music, I think. Yeah, GFM's still holding up here. If Undead God number 3 is still in here, there's nothing to worry about. This thing's still holding. If you're still holding it, very early, very new chart, and it's holding up. So we'll see what happens. All right, what are we looking at here? What about Jasmine right now? Swiftcoin may be the top end. Jasmine looks good. Jasmine's in the same position, heading large inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is bullish. Once you get over 4 pennies and then 5 pennies with a weekly close, she's going to shoot up to 12, and 30 is definitely going to get hit, in my opinion. And my target for Jasmine is $1. If I could buy a bunch of Jasmine, I would, but I'm poor. But Jasmine's not definitely, but Jasmine. My target for Jasmine is $1. I won't take anything less. If not $1, close to $1, maybe 60, 70 cents. I don't think I've ever said that before. All right, Baby Brett. Baby Brett on base. Let's see what we got going on. Baby Brett. There's a lot of good base plays. Oh, you have a winner here, huh? Maybe. Yeah, I think this is the right one. But pretty much all the coins we look at on Deck Screener I treat as gamble plays. In my opinion, someone told me to stop calling them that, but there's nothing bullish on the chart right now. Clearly in a downtrend. You made a lower low. So if this is the bottom, you need to get back over 8087, confirm the bottom, and then where you got stuck back here, 382 at 7018 to be bullish. But regardless of all that, for this thing to run up to a new high, possibly, that's the whole reason we're gambling on it. We're gonna have to add this one to the watch list. It's a 410x. Baby Brett on base for the win. But these plays here, that's where you throw in $50, maybe $100. Dog and me. Carlo's a good one. I don't know if Toshi's still a good one. Oh, Toshi. Yeah, Toshi still looks to me like it topped. So Toshi right now is holding the 1618 at 117. You're at 118 at the moment. So if it can hold on, it needs to get through the 2272 at 16 at 35. But that large wick and then this red one and this one, it just looks like a top to me. Had a decent run. But if it's not the top, it's going to come to the top of the fib, another 150% move. So you got to weigh your risk and reward. If you already got profit on it, or if you're still holding in good profit, or 150% to the upside. But if that's the top and she's just going to drop all the way back down, are you willing to wait and see if she's going to drop 70%? Dogged me. Oh yeah, I remember this one, dogging me on base. This is one of like the first coins that came out, wasn't it? If I remember correctly. Yeah, remember, Emilios, this is not financial advice. Jasmine does not have to go to $1. Because just as we saw with other people in here, Hoppy is a good one. Yeah, I got it on the list here. We're going down the list. When do you see it hitting $1? No idea. Sometime in 2025. If we stay on track, the top for Bitcoin and the market's going to be in. Top for Bitcoin is going to be in November, I think. So the top for altcoins may be October. There's no telling, but yeah. We got another one. What do we do? Gopu Musk. Gopu Musk is asking for ZBCN. What do we do, Carrie? Yeah, there's not much expecting $1, but I would say I'm 99% convinced Jasmine's hit $1. So we'll see what happens. It doesn't have to, but I for sure would not hold my entire bag of Jasmine to $1. I would take profit along the way and let a little moon bag ride to $1. Maybe just 1,000,000 coins to see if I'll be a millionaire. All right, but we gotta get through these coins. But I used to own a lot of Jasmine. I wish I could get back in. I'm trying. I need XCN to get off its butt and move. Musk. Yeah, we'll go look at it when we get back over there. But we've had so many people ask for ZBEC tonight, and pretty much every stream, and I don't know why. Oh, did you say something? What's up, Dave? How you doing, my man? You still holding on to your coins? Dave's in the house. I'm still holding GoFundMe. I've invested all my life savings. On Twitter, hearing rumors of an Uber partnership. Is that bullish? An Uber partnership? No one cares about Uber. I don't know what that even means, but we'll look at it again. All right, let me get through these meme coins, and then we'll go back to the the coin that we're going to be laughing at when it goes to the moon without us, I guess. What are we looking at? All right, dogging me. Yeah, if I remember correctly, this is one of like the first coins that came out. Does not look bad. Let's go to the weekly so we can see the whole thing. Possible cup and handle forming. You're getting stuck right at the 618 right now. Pretty much where you're getting stuck every time. So if we can get over 6.7, then possibly this thing's going to fly up to a new high. So the new high would take you up to 2035 for a 6x. Could it go higher than that? Of course, but that's your first target to watch. Almost 100,000 holders, 39 million market cap. But yeah, it may go higher than that. I'm just saying. Was that 305? Let's see. Leah AI by Virtuals. There's just so many meme coins. We got Leah AI on Solana. Yeah, I don't see a Leah AI on Virtuals. This is this one. It's just not loaded yet. No, those are rug pulls. Yeah, who told me Leah AI? Oh, maybe it's on Sol, because there's no other coin. Brett Sky and Bandit on base. Yeah, when you said that earlier, is it Brett Sky? Is that the coin? Or is it Brett and then Sky and then Bandit? But yeah, with Jasmine, Emilio, I think it's going to 30 cents definitely. Maybe it only hits 60 cents, but I think it's going to $1. But just do the math, and whatever you buy, sell at 30 cents like the rest of everyone else. All right, lead on Sol. I appreciate that. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, but yeah, we're getting to these other coins. Weekly. 14 million, a million blocks, 13,000 holders. Let's see what we can draw here. A little tiny chart. So not the best respecter of anything that I can see. I guess it hit the 786 and then back tested. So right now it's stuck at the 1272, came up, got stuck at the 1618. So I would keep it simple. It needs to stay over the previous high at 11 and then get over 1.4 and then eventually over 1.8. Pretty much 2 pennies. Get a daily close over that, and then maybe this thing will run up. But from where it is now, such a small chart, I know you can't hardly see this, but if this one's going to run at all, top of the fib, I'll take you up all the way to 48.50 and give you a 3.5x. Came out in November. And it may go higher than that, but that's all I can really tell you on the chart wise. Is that a penny? Yeah, this thing can easily hit 10 cents to 20 cents probably. Depending on if it's going to run and people are going to buy it. So you could get a 15x out of it. Hoppy, Lord, Hoppy on ETH. Oh, there we go. We learned something new. We hit the sidebar. Hoppy's back down at the bottom. Oh, jeez. Hoppy here. So Hoppy was one we looked at a lot back in the past. This music's putting me to sleep. I'm going to have to change it. All right, so high to the low here. You're back down perfectly on the 236 support. So as long as you're over 405, possibly the bottom is in. You came up and got stuck at the 1272, and it dropped all the way back down. Let's see. Yeah, you're in that sweet spot, that 85 to 86% drop. Back down on support. And if this thing's going to run back up, let's run it back. 4.3 for 6.5x, and then 6.3, 3063 for 9.5, almost 10x. But overall, higher highs and higher lows. Very bullish looking overall chart after the run up. So yeah, I would say Hoppy's still looking good. And it may go way higher than that. Brett Ski Bandit. Let's see. After staring at these charts for 3 hours and just constantly talking, it's getting kind of. You're talking about regular Brett. I don't know. What'd you say, Brett on base? Oh, man. Yeah, did you ever answer about the Brett Sky? Okay, Brett Sky and Bandit on base. All right, I got you. Brett Sky. I got you. Never heard of that one. Brett Sky. No one typed that. Come on. This one, YMAC by Virtuals, Dave. There's one that came out 7 days ago or 6 days ago, and there's one that came out like YMAC. "17 days ago and 6 days ago." I guess it's the same thing. But yeah, this one just came out and it's going to the moon, it looks like. This reminds me of the Caspa early days. Caspa first came out, it did this, and it just went to the moon. Very good looking early chart here. I'm not even sure if I can do anything with this. Let's see here. We'll go from this swing little high to the swing little low and see what happens. Yeah, I guess there's some respect given. High to the low, 786, broke through it, back tested it. All right, we'll just go with this. So you're back above the 2618, 61. As long as you stay above that, it looks like the top of the fib is in play. Not going to be much, but that's really all we got. 50% move to 9, 009, pretty much a penny. Yeah, when did you buy this one? Daily chart, it looks like it's going to the moon. $6 million market cap, 6,000 holders. Yeah, that's not a bad one either, depending on when you got in. Oh, you're looking to enter, but it keeps going up. Yeah, it's bullish right now. I wouldn't enter right now if you're not in. But you never know. What is it at? 006. So it's almost at a penny. Come on. Scroll it till it disappears. Yeah, you could get a 16x if it goes to 10 cents. It's almost at a penny. Could be a good gamble play. Throw $100 at it and get your little 16x. Brett Sky. Come on, my computer's being real slow. Brett Sky, what the hell is Brett Sky? Oh, this thing. Yeah, these new coins like this, where I have to go down to the 4-hour chart and they're just going up, there's really not much I can say about them. There's a pullback right now. It keeps pulling back and going up. Pull back, go up, pull back, go up, pull back. Did just make a slightly lower high. I don't know if that's concerning for a meme coin, but that's why you treat these as gamble plays and not put money in it, like money. 3 zeros 4. Yeah, if this one can come to the top and hit a penny, almost 2 pennies, you're getting a 50x almost, a 45x. Overall bullish chart, higher highs and higher lows, just going. So, like I said, gamble play again. Throw $50 on here and see if you get a 50x out of it. Not financial advice, but chase enough pumps to get wrecked. Yeah. Okay, Rocky. I forgot about Rocky. What's up, Charles? Welcome back. You haven't been here for a while, or at least a day or so. AXGT, UFI. Did you say Zen had a 500x potential or something? Yeah, something like that. Whatever Zen is, Charles, it has potential. If it's something. What time is it? Yeah. Yeah, we're getting close to the end here. It's already been 3 hours. I don't feel like talking about this anymore. We're not moving. Hopefully we're bullish tomorrow, because tomorrow's the last day of the month. Oh yeah, I forgot Bandit. Bandit for Jack Sparrow. Bandit on base. Oh yeah, that's that raccoon. But like I keep saying, there's no guarantee any of these meme coins are going to do anything. I have experience. I buy every meme coin there is, or what I can, and every time it goes down. So if you're buying a meme coin, please don't put a lot of money on it. Unless you're a rich degenerate and can afford it. It's the right one, Bandit on base. Wait. Yeah, is this the right one? Yeah, we're gonna do ZBCN one last time. Yeah, Undead God 3. There's no guarantee that Red Sky's gonna do a 15x. That's just what we're showing. That's why you buy $50 worth and see if it's gonna do it. Or yeah, this is it. Yeah, this one has an overall good looking chart. Like higher highs and higher lows. It's curled up. Daily chart here. Let's see. Yeah, see this one I can't do anything. There's no wicks down here. But no wick. Candle body to a wick. As long as you're above 222, that should be the bottom. Not quite there yet. She's starting to curl up a little bit. Yeah, I don't even know what to do with this one. There's nothing anywhere I can use. There's no wicks on the bottom. All right, we'll do that. High to the low. Looks like you're sitting above the 382, so you are still bullish here at 278. Yeah, you came all the way up to the 2272. Once you get over 37, breakout and play possibly. So potential 2618 would be a 5.5x, but yeah, for a new high, 5.5x possible. And then at some point in the future, the top of the fib at 303 would be your 2x, 11x. But as long as you're making highs and you're curled up at the bottom here, it doesn't look bad. We've been on a small chart the whole time. Come on now. Oh yeah, AVAX we did. So what exchanges is ZBC in on, since everyone's so bullish on it? But low market cap, you said, and essentially there's nothing bullish on the chart besides the chart itself, down and sideways. So if it's going to run, $786 retracement, is this the right one? Oh, yeah, we're talking about this CBC again. Yeah, this one here, I mean, if it's going to have any sort of a decent run and you're bullish on it, it's down here doing nothing, low market cap. First target to watch is 005 and a 5x from where you are now. Bottom confirmed to number 1, bullish over 1, 2, and then 1, 8. This move down is officially over. And then Zen, whatever this one is, I don't know where you can buy it. I'm going to have to look into it because it has another possible bottom put in. And it kind of reminds me of the other charts we see, but just to do a 618 retracement in a bull market is 150x from today, where the potentially put in 4 billion market cap, 786 retracements. And, oh, hold on, let me back that up. That's wrong. Wait, no, it's not. Wait, what am I missing here? Oh yeah, that's right. So a 618 retracement is 150x. A 786 retracement is 800x to 301. So whatever this Zen crypto is, if we can just do a 786 retracement 2025 bull market, that's an 800x. 4 billion market cap is 150x. So possible another good play. It's kind of what we looked at on XCN back in the day. Really good returns. What's going on now? Yeah. Yeah, I think that's it for tonight. I can't do any more. This is ridiculous. Almost 3 hours. You guys are gonna have me having nightmares about CBC and CBEC is gonna be murdering me in my sleep. 800X on Zen. I have my last $500. I'll play. Dude, don't put all your money in one coin. There's no guarantee. Do your research. I have no idea what Zen is. Do as much research as you can. But I feel what you mean. I'm in the same boat. My last little bit of money's in XCN right now. Tomorrow we gotta check win. You talking about win? We'll check it right now real quick. Last time I checked, I think win was going to 0. We've covered it so much on the channel here, but we just kind of stopped because no one cared. This win, the cat, the little helmet. Oh, she held the bottom. Well, from the last time we looked at it, it held the bottom. It broke the previous trend and came back down to the low. So as long as you're over 6-7, you're holding. You gotta get it back over where you go. Wicked up there. 1-1 to confirm the bottom is in. So she didn't completely die like Myro. I thought she was gonna die like Myro. So 1-1 and then 1-4 to be bullish. So if this bottom holds, confirmation will be 1-1 again. 3 zeros, 1-1. But whatever last time we looked at win, new high, 600 million or 690, 700 million market cap to 3 zeros 9. Be a decent 27x. Oh man. Oh, let's see. Yeah, everyone hit the like button on your way out. I appreciate it. Answer the poll. Let me go in the poll before we end this. So now's the time to say any last words you got to say about the crypto market here or whatever. We will be back on tomorrow. Maybe we'll do a longer stream tomorrow because, like I said, tomorrow is the last day of the month. I got to get as much views in as I can. Where are we at? YouTube. And as always, nothing I say on the stream or on the videos is financial advice. We're just going over coins. Just because we're bullish on a coin or it looks good or it has good returns does not mean that it's going to go to those returns. You have to do your own research, make your own judgment, be a grown-up, and invest at your own will. Because nothing is guaranteed in crypto or in life. You gotta fight every day for it. So going over here, let's see what the stream said about the music. But yeah, hit the like button, go check out the videos on the channel, and we'll see how the market treats us tomorrow. In the poll, 75% out of 71 votes say they like the background music. Let's see. We ended the poll. But I appreciate everyone that comes in here, even if you're a butthead sometimes. I appreciate you guys coming in here. We're going to get along and we're going to make it out of here together. Yeah, I appreciate you. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. And I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.